Now this is experiment number 2 of herbal drug technology. In this experiment, we have to determine the alcohol content present in Arista. Arista is an Ayurvedic preparation and the object is to determine the alcohol content of Arista. तो हमें क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को स्टार्ट करने से पहले? मार्केटेड सैम्पल ऑफ अरिस्ता, हमें ऐसा मार्केटेड सैम्पल लेना है जिसमें अरिस्ता का पूरा एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मुलेशन प्रेजेंट हो. नेक्स्ट इज मेजरिंग सिलेंडर, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी बॉटल, डिस्टिलेशन यूनिट. इसमें बेसिकली जो हमारी यूनिट होती है उसमें कंडेंसर साथ साथ आरबी फ्लास्क एंड एज अ रिसीवर होता है. एंड लास्ट में हम एक राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क यूज़ करेंगे. Now we have taken this sample, that is Dashmula Rest. It is an Ayurvedic formulation and इसका we will take 25 ml of Dashmula Rest. We will measure 25 ml with the help of measuring cylinder. Yes. Now this is 25 ml. Then we will pour it into the RB flask. That is round bottom flask. Then 25 ml of water is taken in the measuring cylinder and pour it in RB flask. Now in this 25 ml of Arista extract या फिर Ayurvedic formulation and 25 ml of water is added into the RB flask. Porcelain chip is also added in the RB flask to avoid bumping. Now this is the distillation unit और इसमें हमारा सैम्पल है, वाटर है, ये हमारा रिसीवर है. यहाँ पर इस कोनिकल फ्लास्क में हम अपने डिस्टिलेट को कलेक्ट करेंगे. We have collected distillate. Just be careful that the distillate should be colorless. Now we will calculate specific gravity. This is a specific gravity bottle and we will weigh empty specific gravity bottle and note down the reading. Next, now we will put 25 ml of water in the specific gravity bottle, and now this is a specific gravity bottle filled with distilled water. We will weigh it and reading should be specific gravity bottle and distillate. We will weigh distillate with specific gravity bottle and note down the reading. Now we will start the calculation part. We will calculate the specific gravity and with the help of specific gravity we will calculate the alcohol content. Now the weight of a specific gravity bottle is empty specific gravity bottle was 22.42 gram. Then a specific gravity bottle plus distilled water weight was 47.54 gram. Then we will calculate the weight of water, that is a specific gravity bottle, weight of specific gravity bottle minus weight of distilled water. This will come weight of water, that is 25.12 gram. Then weight of specific gravity bottle plus distillate is 50.50, and this method, by this formula we will calculate the weight of distillate, that is 50.50 minus 22.42, that is 27.58 gram. Now we have measured all that, we have calculated all the values. Now apparent specific gravity equals to weight of distillate upon weight of water. तो ये हमने इस distillate की value put on कर दी है, that is 27.58, and weight of water, that is 25.12. तो ये हमारी आ गई specific gravity, that is 1.097, and by referring the AOAC chart at temperature 25 degree, the alcohol content was determined. By this method we have determined the alcohol content.